the DeWALT XR FlexVolt string trimmer. This unit is the 54 volt range and it comes as one of DeWALT's flagship models. This video is sponsored by DeWALT, who sent me this split shaft machine which can fold up like this for easy storage. It's got a 54 volt brushless motor which produces equivalent power to the petrol machines and superior runtime. It's got a patented gear mechanism and a dual paddle for ergonomic grip. Straight out of the box you can see we've got the 54 volt XR FlexVolt battery, it comes with a charger, user manuals and a guard for the string trimming base. You can see all the equipment is really well packaged, just as you expect from a high quality machine like this. And you can see the drive mechanism, which is a patented gear mechanism designed not to lose torque in the most demanding of situations. This unit also comes with a 3-year guarantee. In this video I'm going to be unpacking the equipment and doing a little trial in my lawn just to see how it performs. So you can see there's this sort of transport cap on the battery and it just unclicks from the top. The feel of the equipment feels really nice quality and it comes in the DeWALT trademark yellow and black colours. It comes with a strap, a carrying strap for the machine, and obviously the spool reel that fits into the bottom of the unit. The unit itself has also got a dual paddle control with a lock off for ease of use, and it comes with high and low modes. It's got a split shaft which you can just assemble via this locking mechanism, and it also packs down for ease of use and transportation. The unit itself feels really nice quality in the hand, and ergonomically it can easily be gripped with one hand there, with the second hand placed on the lifting mechanism. Attaching the guard on the front using 4 screws, and it's got a 38cm trim for maximum efficiency. I really love unboxing tools like this because you can just feel the quality of the product. Picking the unit up, it's quite easy to handle and it's quite well balanced. I could easily see myself using this for a full day's work. Supported by that 54 volt battery, it shouldn't be a problem. This tool is clearly capable for some really demanding and professional level jobs, but I'm going to do a test for some areas in my lawn just to see how it goes. My first impressions when I turned the kit on was just how powerful it was. The variable speed trigger was only half pressed and I could see it was easily doing a job of taking some grass up around the edges of the sleepers that I've got and some concrete positions. I wanted to try the trimmer for edging as well. So turning it on its side and running it along the edge. Clearly these edges are quite well maintained, but I also tried it on some more overgrown areas, and as you would expect from a tool with this much power, it made light work of trimming some of the borders that I've got and redefining some of the edges. I've also got the DeWALT trimmer and the blower, so if you're interested in finding out some more about these tools and some more practical uses, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's Matt, the garden and lawn care guy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and leave me a comment below.